G'day, here's a couple of pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see there is the reflection of the lights. Should be fairly easy to cut this material. It's colour bar nice and thick. And then there's another one on the top here. Probably not so big, this one on the top. Pretty easy to cut, I think. This one, again, colour bar on the top here. Multicoloured, purples, blues, golds, yellows. Runs right around here. Some of the top capping's been cut off there. Then there's another weaker bar down the bottom here. Some colour in it as well. Not as pronounced as that top layer, but still slice it off and get a second stone out of the bottom. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed those. Cheers.